I didn't use the blender and the stove, and best of all, just mix it up. In a container, start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of sour cream, 200 ml of coconut milk, 1 pack of pineapple juice, and now it's just mixing everything very well. When you start to thicken and get to that point, just book next door. Now, on a platter, add some of our mousse in the background and spread. Now, get some milk and let's wet 150 grams of biscuit in it. Go making a layer on top, and you can choose the type of cookie you will use. Repeat the process of spreading the mousse and cover with a layer of biscuit. This recipe is not only quick, easy and simple to make, the taste is irresistible. It will save you when you want to make a super delicious recipe, and it takes very little time to be prepared and few ingredients. After finishing the layers, add in the last a little grated coconut. The amount is to taste. Now, refrigerate only until it freezes, and look how amazing the dessert is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This recipe looks so amazing, it looks like an iced cake. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Purr in the Kitchen. That's strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.